Okay, I will shift the camera to, okay, no need to do any camera. Now you take any 3-digit number. Say we will start with 632. Write it down, 632. Okay, now you reverse the numbers. Make a larger one and make a smaller number out of this. The larger number is 632 itself, right? Isn't it? Okay, then make a smaller number. Two sets of number you will have. The smaller number would be 230. Now deduct these two numbers. Subtract. The larger number, you subtract a smaller number from the larger number. You will get a set of digits there. A set of digits, what is the result?
Teacher?
Yes, go ahead.
396.
Can I again see that mirror one?
Yes, 396, right?
Can I again see that mirror one?
Later. We will see the mirror later. We will come back to it after a while. Then we will come back. So this answer you get, okay. 396. Okay? Add these digits. What is the answer? If you take a digit sum, you know we have discussed digit sum, add these digits. 3 plus 9 plus 6 is?
18.
Or 18.
18. Take another 3-digit number.
9.
Take this time 921. 921. Make larger number, make smaller number. Deduct it, add the digits.
So this time we have to still subtract the digits or add them?
Same. What you do? 921 you take. Okay. Then you say 921 is the largest by itself. Simply deduct 129 from it. Okay, this is smaller. Smallest. Out of these 3 digits, what could be smaller? Check the result.
The answer is 792.
Here we can make one practice also. You remember yesterday we were doing right to left calculation. Can we do it here? Right to left. 921.
Again, the same thing is 18.
Yes.
Again, the same thing is 18.
Yes, it is 18.
7 plus 9 is 16.
Yes.
And 16
Whatever
plus
the result,
18.
the result
Yes,
you get is, I think, 792, and if you add, the result is 18.
Yes,
Can
correct.
you try it with 238?
Yes, sir. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16
Yes.
plus 2
Now you try with another set of numbers. Say we will take 238.
Sir.
Take 238.
Sir,
And do the same thing.
Do we have to make it larger?
Oh, make a larger number, make a smaller number. Now this time we are taking in a way it is not large. 238. Okay, so you have to make a larger number. Large how will become? This largest number you place it at the 100th place. 832 is the largest, right? Then deduct the smallest number that can be made. 238. And now the answer is, again, 8 minus 2 is 6. But next is a smaller number, so I will write 5. Then we will write, because this is, next number is again smaller, so we will write 9 here, and 2 complement of this, add to this, 594. Right to left. You know, left to right, sorry. The same way we discussed yesterday.
Yeah.
Add the digits. 18.
Yeah, sir.
All numbers want to become adult. They don't want to remain kids. Everybody wants to turn 18. What is this? Try with other numbers.
Sir,
Everybody is in a hurry to become adult. What is this going on?
Some type of trick.
Then where will be the kids?
Can we use any number and say it's possible?
Check again, another 3 set of numbers of your choice. I have tried it with a few numbers and the result comes like this. But maybe you can try with your number. Try. What is the result? Are the numbers in a hurry
512.
to go turn 18 or not?
Understand, sir.
Huh?
I didn't understand.
Try another number. Say we will take 128. Let us take 128 is 821 minus
That is
128. Let us see how much it is. Is it also going towards 18? Check. Or then you take your own number and then check.
The answer for 462 is 145. I'm going to check if it works.
Yes.
It's only 10.
It is 821 minus 128, 693. Correct. It is also going to 12. 693. 6 plus 9 plus 3.
I did 921 minus 129, and then the answer was 792. And then when I added those three numbers, the answer was 18.
Yes. Again, it is coming to 18. Why
No,
they are in a
sir.
hurry to
When
become
I did
18?
462,
As it is.
sir, this only works with numbers that are in ascending order. These only work with numbers that are in ascending order.
I did 543 and 345, and I got 192. And when I added them, I got 18.
Yes, great. Thank you. Thank you. Have fun.
Sir, this only
During the
works.
day, practice with other numbers. And I will tell you one thing. Like you have practiced with how many numbers you will practice? 2 numbers, 4 numbers, 8 numbers, 10 numbers, 100 numbers. But is it a law? Can we 100% say this method will work? You know,
No, sir.
mathematicians will say this
It
method
will not
will
work.
work only if
There's only,
it can
there
be
are few
proved
cases.
for all the numbers. Otherwise, they will say no.
Sir,
Either
there are
prove
few
it or
cases
disapprove.
in this case.
That way. So the numbers have to be proved. So from your side, you try all the number combinations. Like there are three digits, you try with many number of digits and see what comes.
This only works with numbers that are in ascending order, like 1 to 8. That's in
No,
ascending
no.
order.
You can convert it
doesn't
to
work with
ascending and
1,
descending
8,
orders, make a largest number out of it and make a smallest number out of it. And then it will work. Not ascending order.
Look,
Not necessarily ascending, but it has to be maximum biggest number and smallest number. That
it became 10.
yes. You try with 3 numbers and then see what works. One by one, you have to try with many numbers, whatever fancies you, and then you can write it. Write to me in WhatsApp, then we will see if it does not work. Yes. The issue is when mathematicians handle this kind of problem, they will make sure it works for each and every number. Otherwise, it is not acceptable. This is how mathematicians work. They will not be satisfied with 10 numbers. They will not be satisfied with 199 numbers. No, 100% it has to work. This is what science is. This is what mathematics is. Mathematics laws are universal laws because wherever you put 2 pebbles, 1 plus 1 would be 2. Any place on earth, any place in the universe, you put 1 and 1 together, it will be 2. The same way, is it a law? I don't know. You can try it with many numbers. I have tried it with many numbers, then I give up. Like that. So this is one idea that I wanted to share. Yes. So all the numbers are in a hurry to turn 18. Great. So what if you are done with this, we go on to another exercise. What do you say? You can do this exercise all day. And leave this kind of craziness to me. I come up with all these kind of crazy things just to get you people interested in mathematics and spend more and more time with numbers. You see, why kids are not interested in mathematics? Because they have no reason to be interested in mathematics. Why should I be interested in mathematics? Tell me, give me a reason. Parent would say, oh, you will become big, then you will go become an engineer. I am not an engineer now. Then they will say, you will go become a mathematician. I don't want to be a mathematician. You will become something and you will use mathematics. Tell me, the kid would say, tell me what good mathematics can do today to me as I exist as a person. Kids are not something that you will become something in the future and we start treating you as, oh, you will be engineer, so start preparing for it. No, I think kids should be treated as a person as they exist right now. You are small, you should be given something to use right now. If I say, you learn this and you will use it in the future, who cares about the future? This is the problem, why kids are not interested in mathematics. This is my opinion, but you are kids, you can explain why you are not interested in mathematics. Does anybody have a reason other than what I am saying? I believe the reason is, it is for the future, and future is so far away. If you make it interesting in the moment right now, today if math is interesting, I am interested. If today math is not interesting, I am not interested. This is what I would say as a kid. Make it interesting for me in this moment, I am interested. If it is interested in the future, who has seen the future? I don't know what will become of me. I become a football player, I become a musician, I become a professor, I see that, forget it. I have to only somehow pass. Now, do you have any reasons why mathematics is not interesting?
Lord, I'm interested in math. Most schools, you just have to add one.
It is interesting.
It is, yes.
It is interesting when you get into the fun of it, like
Yes.
all of these tricks.
Perfect, yes.
It
And we
becomes
should
interesting when you do
be willing to let
does
something
become
come to
interesting.
us. You know, you see some friend playing in the park, you see somebody. Unless you walk up to her or walk up to him and get friendly with it, you won't know her and you won't know him. How you would be friends with it? So this is what my endeavor is, to bring math closer to you. Once the math is closer to you, you become friendly with maths, and then you will do wonders. I'm not going to teach you what formulas are. You will learn yourself. Once you are friend with somebody, you learn everything about him or her, right? That way. This is the basic purpose of it. So these numbers, 3 numbers, you try with others. Maybe you find something that is not matching. If it is not matching, we can publish the results and get a theorem in your name. Right? There would be a theorem in your name itself. Why can't it be? It can be. The biggest scientist is whose name is elements. The biggest scientists are whose name is there in the theorems, in equations. Like that. We always say Newton's laws, you know, that way. So this is one thing.
Another scientist called Euler, and he has his own number called Euler number.
Now what we do next is,
Or E.
my volume is very low. I don't know why. The volume is coming very low today. I will check here. Okay. Yes, tell me.
Actually, I'll have to leave because I have a class right now.
Welcome, no problem. No problem. You are always welcome. You can watch in any time. That's not a problem here at all.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Why? No problem. See ya. Okay. Now what we do